When you think of trails in Virginia, you might think of something like the Appalachian Trail.
But everyone I've told about this story is excited about this trail.
Richmond's Mimosa Trail, spotlighting almost 50 locations serving this bubbly staple of brunch. My tour began in downtown Richmond at the venerable Jefferson Hotel.
Here's the Sunday.
Their Sunday brunch is so sought after that it can, at times, take up to 3 months to land a reservation. Brunch here is an event, served in the rotunda at the bottom of the grand staircase. There are breakfast staples like made-to-order omelets, pancakes, and, well, the list goes on. But there's also an amazing seafood section, a carving station, lunch entrees, ice cream, all available to eager eaters. But there's something even more special in the middle of the room. The dessert table, decadent in design and calories. So forgive me for not getting to the reason for this story a little sooner. Mimosas are like everything else here, generous on the good part with a splash of something else at the end. Now, most places are unlike the Jefferson, yet merit their spot on the trail. Three Monkeys represents what people love about Richmond's food and bar scene. Their weekend brunch mimosas often come by the pitcher, available in 10 flavors.
It's a watermelon mimosa.
The bartender's pick of a refreshing watermelon mimosa on a warm Sunday in August made it hard to leave. This tasty trail extends almost 30 miles to the southeast to New Kent. Martha's Kitchen does their pouring out of a house dating back to the early 1800s. There's even a small cabin beside it that's open to the public for free tours. But I was there for other research, like having an orange cranberry mimosa paired with fried green tomatoes topped with pimento cheese. Somewhere along the Mimosa Trail, I'm Dave Parker.